The bathroom, they have a lot of different Mexican like Buenas noches, buenos dias, hola. Hey everybody, welcome back to the last day of my trip, the last full day. And I just wanted to get on here and say thank y'all for liking the past travel vlogs. And I decided on my last full day that I will talk to you guys, give you a little rundown on the resort. I am at TRS Yucatan, and it is gorgeous, relaxed all weekend. Got here Wednesday, January 3rd, and we are checking out Monday, January the 8th, 2024. So, yeah, it's currently the 7th on Sunday, and I'm a little sad about it. So as you seen earlier, woke up, got a breakfast. I didn't do room service today. We have spa. So we're gonna do the hydro aquatic spa, and then a regular, I believe, intense 60-minute massage. So I'll let y'all know once we do it. And yeah, so we are, or I am, however you want to put it, I am in Cancun, Mexico, and I believe on the Riviera Maya end of it. We're maybe like 15 minutes from Tulum. As you see in the back, they have bungalows with the canoes. They have a swim out private poolside. So that is the room that I'm in. You would have seen that on day one video. So they have sweet jacuzzis. We have some people that have a jacuzzi. And yeah, so a lot of different rooms, very nice, very expensive. This resort it's expensive, but it's worth it. So if you are looking for an all-inclusive adult resort, then this is a good option. Okay, so far
This is the last full day. So far, I would definitely give a 8 out of 10. And the reason why I'm giving it an 8 is because it's not much nightlife. It's a little bit, it's entertainment. Don't get me wrong, it's entertainment. It's a cabaret show, which no one wanted to pay $55 for. So we just watched the pre-show. But it's $55. The DJs were okay. They played house music most of the time, had a silent party, which you would have seen before. So nightlife is not here. So if you're coming a girls trip, guys trip, you just want to party. If you just want to party, this is really not the resort for that. It's definitely to relax. It's definitely to eat and to drink. We did get 2 free bottles per room. So all I'm doing is working on my Don Julio right now. And let's see, what else? We didn't do too many excursions. Usually we did it in the Bahamas earlier last year, so we decided not to do too many excursions. But overall, the property is beautiful. But again, if you're looking for a turn up, this is not the resort. This is like a couples resort. A lot of things for couples to do. At the restaurants, they have, beautiful seats, if you're celebrating something. But girls trip, no, it's no nightlife. Food is excellent. Food, I give it a 10 out of 10. Drinks, 10 out of 10. Service, 100 out of 10. The staff here is great. No complaints. So yeah, enough talking. Cue the music.